Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and power. Back up critical files to an external drive or cloud. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, plug the Surface into power and confirm at least 50% battery or keep it charging. Make sure you know your Microsoft account email and password because you may need them after reset. Next, open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, then Recovery. Choose Get Started under Reset this PC to begin the actionable reset sequence now. You now pick how thorough the reset will be and why it matters. Choose Keep My Files to preserve personal files, but remove apps and settings, or pick Remove Everything to start fresh. If you remove everything, decide between just Remove My Files for speed or fully clean the drive for security when selling the device. Next, choose Local Reinstall for speed or Cloud Download for a clean image and stability. Make your selections deliberately, then press Next to confirm and start the reset process. You finish by letting the Surface run through the reset. Do not interrupt power or close the lid. Once complete, you'll step through initial setup, sign in with your Microsoft account, reinstall apps, and run Windows Update to get drivers and patches. If the reset fails or the Surface won't boot, prepare a Surface Recovery USB on another PC and perform recovery. This reinstalls firmware and OS. Finally, if hardware issues persist, contact support. Corrupted SSD or firmware may require service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.